Today you will learn how to make a spider web in Adobe Illustrator. In only a few steps you can easily create a spider web illustration in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. To begin, draw the base shape of the web using the star tool. To find the star tool, select and hold the rectangle tool on the toolbar, then select the star tool. Click and drag a star on your canvas. Hold shift while dragging to keep the shape equal and press the up or down arrows on your keyboard to add or remove points of the star until there are 6 to 8 points. Select the shape and set the fill color to none in the right toolbar, leaving just the outline. Typically this will be a black in the stroke swatch, but you can choose another color if you wish. To take your shape from star to web, the inner corners need to be rounded. Select and hold the direct selection tool in the toolbar until the other tools appear. Select the lasso tool. Draw a circular selection so all the inner corners are inside the selection and the outer corners, the outward points of the star, are outside the selection. You will know which corners are selected as their anchor points will be solid blue squares. The unselected anchor points will be blue square outline. Once selected, select the direct selection tool and hover your cursor over one of the selected anchor points until a circle appears. Click and drag the circle outward to round the corners. This gives you a traditional web outline. Duplicate your shape by selecting it and copying it and then paste it. Select the duplicated outline. Hold down shift while clicking and dragging one of the corner anchor points inward. Now you have a large outline and a smaller outline of the same shape. Go to Window menu and choose Align to open the alignment feature. Select both outlines, then select Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. This will center them on one another. With both outlines selected, go to Object menu, then Blend and then Make. Then again go to Object menu, Blend and Blend options. Set the spacing to specified steps and choose somewhere between 6 to 10. This creates the layers in the spider web. Make sure to click preview to see how it looks, and when you are happy, select OK. To add the spine to your web, draw a grid using the Polar Grid tool. To find this tool, select the three dots at the bottom of the toolbar to reveal a larger toolbar. The icon is a circle with lines from the center to the edge. Drag it to the toolbar to use it. With the Polar Grid tool selected, draw a circle by clicking and dragging over the same space where your spider web is drawn. Hold shift for an equal circle. Press the down arrow to remove internal circles and press the left or right arrows to add spines. If you made a 6-point star, you should have 6 spines in the circle. Select both the Polar Grid and the web shape and use the Align tools to center them to one another. To remove the outer circle, use the Direct Selection tool and select the larger circle. Press Delete on your keyboard until the circle has disappeared. And our shape is now ready. This spider web technique saves time and ensures a balanced looking web that can be edited for any use. I hope this video has helped you to learn how to make spider web in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos like this. That's all in our part 57 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe to Easy Guide official YouTube channel if you want to learn Adobe Illustrator. If you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. Our course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 58.